here, which is creating the new plugin, and then hopefully we will finish today. After we finish, very quick recap on creating a new plugin, we will dive into retail CSV, hopefully finish like 80% of it. So let's go here. It's just 1 second. Let me use the magnifying tool right here. Okay. So how do plugins work in VeriTouch? So we agreed that in order to create a plugin, what we will do, we need two classes. We need these two classes right here. We need a class that would extend the plugin executor. That's number one. And then we need another class that would extend base plugin. And so very quickly, let's say what this plugin will do and how it's going to work, because they are kind of related. So this plugin is on the person's entity. So once we try to create a new person, this class is supposed to, right here, when you are creating a new person, this class is this plugin is supposed to create a super sif, right? So that's what it does. So how does that work? Now, we said before here, if you remember, we have IL merge here, right? If you go to manage NuGet packages, you see that we have IL merge. And what this does is it produces an assembly. It produces this assembly. Look, because this plugin is in this project, in retail CSV project. So just a quick recap, if we unload this, unload, where are you? Unload project. Yeah, unload it, and then edit, and target, targets. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking for. So look here. Here we have, this is what we just saw, IL merge, and it produces this assembly right here, right? This assembly, that's the target. So it's going to merge, first of all, it's going to merge the entire project and these 4 additional DLLs into this one assembly that is called retail CSV merge DLL. So all the modifications that we do here, right here, all the things that, let's reload it so we would have it available. So all the modifications, if we go back, these classes here, all the modifications that we will be doing here, right, it will be part of this assembly, which is this right here. This, right? We saw this retail CSV merged. So because all of these modifications will be part of this, what we will do is after we are done developing, we will hook this assembly on the contacts or on the person's entity. So when we are creating that record, this is going to activate because we hooked it on that entity, right? So now you can see the link between, okay, when I'm creating a new person, how is this going to work? It's going to work because what we're doing is going to be part of this assembly, and this assembly is going to be registered and uploaded to CRM, as we will see, via the plugin registration tool. So So this is how the mechanism works. Now, so this plugin, we have three classes, right? We have the plugin executor, and the plugin executor has the actual logic, its execute methods. Now, when we are done with this, we extend base plugin and we instantiate a class. We instantiate a class from plugin executor into base plugin, into its execute internal methods, and then from this instance call the execute methods, and then that's going to call the logic. Now let's go to this class, and if you look here, look right here. So this is inside the execute, right? So this is the actual method that's doing the work. If you read the comment, it says retrieve available CIF number from core systems. So the way this works is when we start creating a new person, it's going to trigger this plugin. And when this plugin triggers, it will talk to variant link. Why? Because the CIF number is supposed to exist in core systems. And if you want to talk to core systems from CRM, you talk through variant link. And variant link is represented here with IAL service client, or this class. Now, if I, here in plugin executor, execute, yes. If I hover over here and I press F12 to go to implementation, that is going to open up IAL service client because the implementation isn't there, right? Maybe very quickly show you this. I'm not sure if this is going to be beneficial. Very quick recap on variant link. So